You'd be forgiven for thinking that GarageBand on Mac only allows you to record on one track with one instrument at a time. In fact, if you own an audio interface with multiple inputs, you can record those sources into GarageBand in separate tracks at the same time. In this quick tip, I'll show you how. Okay, so as I mentioned, if you want to record multiple audio tracks at the same time, you'll need an audio interface with 2 or more inputs. I have this Focusrite Scarlett 2i4, which has 2 inputs on the front here. If I wanted to plug in 2 microphones and record me playing the acoustic guitar through both mics at the same time to create a lovely stereo effect, there's a couple of steps I need to take. First, I need to plug both mics into the interface. In this first audio track, I'll set the input source to input 1. To do this, I'll open Smart Controls and select input 1 from the input menu. If I hit monitor, I can hear sound from the microphone plugged into the first input on my interface. On the second audio track that I'll need to create, I'll just repeat the process, this time selecting input 2 from the second track's input menu. Now if I hit monitor again, I can hear sound from the microphone plugged into the second input on the interface. Next, I'll need to dive into GarageBand's track header options. To do this, head to Track in the toolbar and click on Configure Track Header. In the menu that pops up, I'll check the box next to Record Enable. Next, I need to click on the Record Enable button on both of the tracks that I want to record into at the same time. Now, when I hit record, I'll be capturing audio from both mics at the same time. This isn't just good for recording music though, it's also great for things like podcasts or interviews where you can capture separate sound sources at the same time. That'll about do it for this quick tip. I've been Patrick from thegaragebandguide.com. Bye for now.